For years, millions of drivers have followed the same tire pressure rule, 32 PSI. You'll see it mentioned at gas stations, hear it from other drivers, and find people treating it like the perfect setting for every vehicle. But what if that common advice is actually costing you money, reducing tire life, and even affecting your safety? In today's video, we'll reveal the truth about tire pressure, expose the hidden risks of using the wrong PSI, and show you how to find the correct pressure for your vehicle in under 2 minutes. It's one of the simplest maintenance tasks you can do, yet it can make a major difference. Core Insight 1: Why 32 PSI is a common misconception. Let's clear this up immediately. There is no one-size-fits-all tire pressure. PSI is simply a general number that became popular over the years. It doesn't consider your car's weight, suspension setup, tire dimensions, or driving environment. Think about it. Would a compact sedan and a large SUV really need the exact same pressure? Obviously not. Yet thousands of drivers still treat 32 PSI like a perfect number. And that's where the trouble starts. Core Insight 2: The hidden damage. The science is simple. When your tire pressure is even slightly incorrect, especially too low, your tires stop performing the way engineers intended. Here's what happens. Every time your tire spins, the sidewalls flex. If the pressure is too low, that flex becomes extreme, and excessive flex creates heat. Not just a little heat, but intense heat. Over time, that heat weakens the tire's internal structure. The rubber deteriorates, the inner layers begin separating, and the tire becomes far more likely to fail. And the dangerous part. Most of this damage stays invisible from the outside, warning signs you should never ignore. Even though the internal damage is hidden, your tires will still show warning signs. Watch for these clues: uneven wear, especially around the edges. Shoulder wear. Poor fuel economy. Heavy or unresponsive steering. Increased stopping distance. Tires appearing slightly low at the bottom. Edge wear is one of the biggest warning signs. Instead of wearing evenly, the outer edges wear down much faster, meaning you lose thousands of miles of tire life. That's literally money disappearing on the road. Step-by-step guide: how to set the correct tire pressure. Now, let's fix it the right way. Step 1: Go to your driver's door. Open your driver's side door and look for a sticker on the door frame. This is called the Tire and Loading Information Sticker. Think of it as your car's tire pressure guide. Step 2: Read the recommended PSI on that sticker. You'll find the exact PSI recommended for both the front and rear tires. This number was carefully selected by engineers based on your vehicle's design. This is the number you should always follow. Step 3: Ignore the tire sidewall number. Look at your tire and you'll notice a PSI number printed on it. That is not the recommended pressure. It's the maximum pressure the tire can safely handle. Using that number can make the ride uncomfortable and reduce traction. Step 4: Check pressure when tires are cold. Always check tire pressure when the tires are cold, meaning before driving or after the car has been parked for at least 2 to 3 hours. Driving warms up the air inside the tire, increasing the pressure and giving you an inaccurate reading. Step 5: Use a reliable tire gauge. Don't rely on guessing. Use a quality tire pressure gauge, either digital or manual, and check every tire individually. Step 6: Adjust to the correct PSI. Add or release air until each tire matches the recommended PSI shown on your door sticker. Don't forget to inspect all 4 tires and your spare tire if your vehicle has one. Real benefits of proper tire pressure. When your tire pressure is correct, everything improves. Better road grip, shorter braking distances, longer tire lifespan, improved fuel economy, a smoother and safer driving experience. Your tires create a very small contact patch, the only part of your vehicle touching the road. If that contact patch isn't correct, your control is reduced. So next time you're at a gas station, don't just set your tires to 32 PSI and drive away. Take a few extra seconds to check your door sticker and follow the number designed specifically for your vehicle. It's a small habit, but it protects your tires, improves safety, and saves money. Your tires do more than just roll the car forward, they control your grip, your stopping power, and your safety on the road. When you understand the right pressure for your vehicle, you're not just maintaining tires, you're protecting your entire driving experience. Don't rely on a single universal number like 32 PSI. Instead, always follow what your manufacturer recommends. That small check can prevent expensive damage and keep your car performing at its best for years. Thanks for watching, stay safe on the road, and make sure you never ignore your tire pressure again. If you found this useful, subscribe for more practical car maintenance tips that help you avoid costly mistakes.